Have you ever wondered how to build a web application using the MERN stack? The MERN stack, consisting of MongoDB, Express.js, React.js and Node.js, offers a robust platform for crafting high-performance web applications. Here's an actionable step-by-step roadmap to help you navigate through the intricacies of the MERN stack. First, ensure you have a solid grounding in basic web development knowledge. Begin with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, specifically ES6 and beyond, as they form the foundation of any web application. Next, venture into the world of Git and Version Control. Familiarize yourself with Git Basics, which will come in handy when controlling different versions of your application. Now it's time to dive into Node.js, understand the basics, and learn about NPM, the Node Package Manager, which is instrumental in managing project dependencies. It's now time to explore Express.js, a web application framework for Node.js. Here you'll learn about routing, middleware, and handling HTTP requests and responses. Your next stop is MongoDB, a NoSQL database. Get familiar with CRUD operations, which are the building blocks of any application. Also, understand how to connect Node.js with MongoDB. Then you'll learn about Mongoose, an ODM library for MongoDB and Node.js. It helps define models and interact with MongoDB more effectively. Next, you'll get your hands dirty with RESTful APIs. Learn the principles of RESTful API design and build RESTful APIs using Express and MongoDB. Your next major task is to understand React.js, learn about components, props, state, and JSX. Also, explore React Router, which handles navigation in React applications. State management in React is another crucial aspect. Understand the context and hooks, and explore global state management libraries like Redux. The next step is to learn how to connect React with Express. This involves making API calls from React to the Express backend and connecting your React application with the Node.js server. Security is paramount, therefore you'll implement user authentication in your MERN application and explore techniques like JWT for secure authentication. Authorization, too, is crucial to control access to different parts of your application. With a responsive design, your application can adapt to various screen sizes. Learn this using CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or CSS Grid and Flexbox. When your application is ready, deploy it. Choose a platform for deployment like Heroku, AWS, or Netlify. Test your application using frameworks like Jest, React Testing Library, Mocha, or Chai. To ensure your application runs smoothly, explore techniques for performance optimization. Set up CI/CD pipelines to automate testing and deployment processes. Implement security best practices for both front-end and back-end. Implement effective error handling and logging. And finally, set up monitoring tools and analytics to keep track of performance and usage. This roadmap is a guide. Feel free to adjust it based on your learning pace and project requirements. Remember, it's always beneficial to work on small projects along the way to reinforce your understanding of each technology. The journey to mastering the MERN stack may be challenging, but it's certainly rewarding. Happy coding!